No.
Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make a Super Space Raptor. So, let's start. And first you need to start with red clay, like this one. And make a ball like this. I'm doing it like this so you can see it, guys. So I don't have trouble. And that's the. And now once you have the ball, you're ready to move on with the body. Okay, you need to start with the ball like this one. White or yellow. I don't have white, so I'm gonna use yellow instead of it. So stick it for the body. Not long, not so long. Only halfway, like this. And now shape the ball again, so it will look perfectly. Okay, once you have that, then let's start to the beak. You need to start with a ball like this and make a cone shape like this. And I'll put it on between of the body and the red thingy. And I'll get your scissors and I'll cut the beak and the half. So yeah, it will look like this. And I'm a little sick, so it doesn't matter. If it's like this, guys, then just turn it on like this, okay? So yeah, like this. Okay, now you're ready to move on. Let's move on to the mask. Okay, need to start out with black clay. I don't have any black clay, so I'ma just use purple clay. Like this. Make up a shape, a weird shape. Like this. And now put it on for the mask. Like this. And now use some white clay or yellow clay. Like I said before. I'm sorry about that, but okay, like this. And now cut it into two pieces like these. And now put it on the mask like this. And now shape the eyes. Do the same with the other one. Do the same with the other one. And now you have something like this. Now we're ready to move on for the tip. Sorry guys for that. Well, we need to use red clay. Oh. So yeah, like that. For if you want to do the regular one, then just do it round. If you want to do the space one, just make the tip pointy like this. It will look like this. Do the same with the other one. Now shape it like this. Now you're ready to move on to the final part, the tail. Okay, get some black clay. And now make it pointier too, because It's like that. And now do it like this, pointier. The last one. Once you've done that, then your Super Space Red Book is complete. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and press the like button below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.